Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful and very cute and fast crochet flower. You can make this flower in each color you want and use that for decorating your crochet projects. For making this project we need a very small amount of a worsted weight yarn, number 5mm hook, some scissors and a needle. If you're ready, let's get started. We're going to start the work with making a slip knot. So wrap the yarn around the pinky finger from front to back and then pull that and place that at top of the index from back to front and hold the yarn between my thumb and middle finger. Now place the hook on this part of yarn and grab it and pull it to the bottom and hold yarn between same two fingers, and as you can see we have a loop on the hook. Pull this loop to up and go under the working yarn and grab it and pull it through this loop. And now remove my fingers, pull this beginning tail and then pull the working yarn, and here is our slip knot. And then we are going to make 6 chains. To make a chain, go behind of the working yarn and pull it through this loop. Again, go behind of the yarn, pull it through, yarn over, pull through, and repeat that work 3 more times to have 6 chains totally. And after working all chains, we're going to make a slip stitch into the first chain here. So insert a hook between this V of the first chain and grab the working yarn, pull it through, and then pull through the slip on the hook to create a slip stitch. And now we formed a ring, as you can see, and we're going to make stitches into this ring. And now I'm going to start making first petal. Insert the hook into the ring and grab the working yarn and pull up a loop. Now we have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through these 2 loops to create 1 single crochet. Then make 3 chains, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, and yarn over, pull through. And after that we're going to make a double treble crochet into the ring. So yarn over 3 times. We have 4 loops on the hook. Insert the hook into the ring and pull a loop from that. Now we have 5 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Again, yarn over, pull through next 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the next 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through last 2 loops. And here is the first double treble crochet, and we bring the stitch closer to the previous stitch to have enough space for making next stitches. Again, make another double treble crochet. So yarn over 3 times, insert the hook into the ring and pull up a loop from that to have 5 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through next 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through last 2 loops. Again, bring our stitch closer to the previous stitches, and one more time, yarn over 3 times, go to the ring, pull up a loop from that, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through last 2 loops. And now we have 3 double treble crochets. After that, make 1, 2, and 3 chains, and make 1 single crochet into the ring. Insert the hook into the ring, grab the yarn, pull it through to have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Again, pull the stitch and make that closer to the previous stitches. And here is the first petal of our flower, and we're going to repeat that 4 more times. So start next petal with making 3 chains again, 1, 2, and 3. Yarn over 3 times, insert a hook into the ring, pull up a loop from that, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through next 2 loops, yarn over, pull through next 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through last 2 loops. Again, make next double treble crochet into the ring, pull up a loop. Now we have 5 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through last 2 loops. One more time, yarn over 3 times, go to the ring, and pull a loop from that, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through last 2 loops. And after working all of these 3 double treble crochets, again bring them closer to previous stitches, make 3 chains, and then make 1 single crochet into the ring. Pull up a loop from the ring to have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And here is our second petal of flower. And then we're going to repeat this work 3 more times because our flower has 5 petals in total. So I will repeat this sequence: 3 chains, 3 double treble crochet, 3 chains, and 1 single crochet, all into the same ring, and then I'll come back. I made next 3 petals, and now we have 5 petals totally. After working last 3 chains of last petal, I'm going to make a slip stitch at top of this beginning single crochet of first petal here under these 2 loops. Insert a hook under these 2 loops at top of this single crochet, and grab the yarn, pull it through, and then pull that through this loop on the hook to create 1 slip stitch. And now I'm going to fasten off, so make a chain and cut the yarn, pull the hook and tighten this knot. And after that I'm going to turn the work to the back, and now we have 2 tails, the beginning tail and the ending tail, and we're going to tie them together. Don't tie so tight. Okay. And after that I'm going to hide these 2 tails through the work. So with a needle, weaving the tail through the stitches, pull that, and again pull that through same stitches except the last loop at the opposite direction. Pull that, and cut the yarn, and repeat that work for other tail. And here is our beautiful crochet flower. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video. Have a nice day.